Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia Luthra and I'm back with another YouTube video for you all learners. Today's YouTube video is all about the sample answers for your speaking part 1, and these sample answers are for 7+ bands. A lot of you are struggling to understand how to answer specifically the part 1 for speaking, so here I am helping you out, and today's theme is gonna be chocolate. So let's get started. The first question is, how often do you eat chocolate? And the sample answer is, honestly speaking, I'm not fond of eating anything sweet, and that includes chocolates too. But I like to munch on dark chocolates once in a blue moon. I have used an idiom here and I would like you all to comment it below with its meaning. Now moving on to the second question, and the second question is, what's your favorite flavor of chocolate? And the sample answer is, I'm not a fan of nuts, so I avoid any chocolate bar with peanuts or almonds in it. You can definitely use any other flavoring that you don't like or like as per your wish. Moving on to the next question, is chocolate expensive in your country? Not really. We have variety of chocolate available in my country ranging from rupees 5 to rupees 1000. It's one's own choice, and whatever suits their pocket, they can accordingly buy a chocolate. Next question is, when was the first time you ate a chocolate? And the answer is, I cannot recall exactly when I tasted it for the very first time, as I was a kid. However, I'm sure it was dairy milk. Last question from the theme is chocolate popular in your country? And the sample answer is, of course it is, among every age group. I have seen my grandparents enjoying it as much as I do. And that's why we can see chocolate industry growing in my country by leaps and bounds. A personal example can also be given to justify the answer, and that will help you achieve a better band score. So that was all for today's video. I hope you learners have liked it. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also subscribe the channel if you are new, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on anything new on the channel. Bye bye. Take care.